Hey, it's showtime at
An immediate evacuation has been issued for residents in Essex County, due to large and extremely dangerous flooding. All residents in the area are under a mandatory evacuation and should leave immediately. Please gather the necessary supplies such as food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered, solar, or hand-cranked radio. Shelters have also been built outside the evacuation zones. If you do not evacuate, you may be putting yourself in extreme danger. Do not hesitate. Evacuate now.